Hi everyone, welcome to NRtistStudio. My name is Nishat Rahman and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to use a hot glue gun for your DIY and craft projects. I have purchased this hot glue gun from a local shop here in Pondicherry where I live, and it's available online as well. This is available on Amazon. You can buy it from there or you can go to any other website which you like. This one I have got for 350 rupees. So let's get started with the unpacking of this hot glue gun and let me show you how to use it. Alright, here we go. So we have got this gun here and we have got two glue sticks along with it. And here is this stand as well that we can use to keep the gun on when it's hot. Okay, so the instruction says do not insert liquid nor paste adhesive, which means you are only supposed to use these kind of glue sticks in order to use the gun and not insert any other kind of glue. The temperature of this gun can reach up to more than 220 degrees Celsius, so you can actually burn your finger if you can touch the tip of it. So you have to be careful with that. And you have to keep it out of the reach of the children. Don't touch the nozzle area or melted adhesive. So either you can wear the gloves, which I'm not wearing right now. Like if you're confident about using it without the gloves and can be careful enough, then it's fine. Otherwise, it's a good idea to wear the safety gloves. Okay, moving on, you're not supposed to touch the tip anyway to check whether it's getting hot or not, because anyway the glue usually starts coming out of here, so you will know when it starts melting. Now I will show you how to use it. First we have to insert this glue stick here and push it like this. You can also buy bigger sticks like this from market or online for about 20 or 10 rupees each. So you can buy them as per your need and you can keep a stock of them. Now this stand also has come with this and it has to be fixed onto the gun. So there are these two holes over here. And this is how we are gonna fix it. Okay, this is especially needed when the glue gun is plugged in and getting heated. So as the glue starts melting, it will start coming out of here. So it's a good idea to keep it on the stand. And not only this, you can also keep something like this, like a card sheet below it to save the surface from spoiling. Okay, so now let me fix the glue stick here, and I'm using the bigger one so that I don't have to change another one soon. So this is how you fix it. It will start melting once it's plugged in. You have to press this over here and it will start coming out. Once your glue stick starts getting over, you can simply push another one onto it. Okay, now I'll plug it in and let it heat for a while. Till then I'll arrange something so that I can show you some DIY using this glue gun. So stay tuned for that. Right now I have this planter with me that I made out of a waste bottle, and I want to decorate it with some jute rope, and I'm going to paste it using this hot glue gun. Now you can see that the gun is ready and the glue is melted. And I have got some jute rope here which I'm going to wrap around this bottle. So first I'll start by applying the glue on the planter and then paste the jute twine over it. If accidentally you spill the glue somewhere, just don't touch it and leave it until it's dried. Otherwise you'll end up sticking it to your finger. Just soak your finger in the water and it will come out on its own. Now you can see that the glue stick is getting over. So I'll push another one onto it. It will automatically adjust once you start using it. Okay guys, so I have told you about the usage of this hot glue gun, how to use it for your craft and DIY project. I also showed you how to make a planter using this hot glue gun just by using simple waste material like plastic bottle and some jute rope and few beads, and we're done here. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I would be really looking forward to all the love and suggestions that I would be getting from you guys. Bye bye.